Konkani of his rule in the country. I don't know what they want to show. Amidst COVID, they had a visual rally. That only shows how they disrespect the people of this country. BJP, you see around Madhya Pradesh, in Goa, in Karnataka, they are living on borrowed oxygen. Their biggest achievement, and people are cursing them, is the increase of prices of diesel and petrol. When the international prices had come down to around 20, now they have gone up a little to around 40. And we have seen every day they are increasing the prices of petrol and diesel. They don't understand that the prices of all the commodities are depending on diesel, on the prices of fuel. At one side, people are suffering from COVID. They have no jobs. Most of them have lost money. And the prices of things are soaring because diesel and petrol prices are increasing day by day. They have increased. And this time, most of the bills they got after 2 months. Everybody doesn't have money to pay the charges of 2 months together. One thing, government had requested, because of the migrants and other people, whoever has given his premises on hire, not to charge them. So I would request here the government, whoever are the owners of these premises, for these 2 or 3 months, when they have not charged people who are residing there, they should not be given electricity bills for those 2 months. We were requesting the government to lock down Vasco because Mangor Hill, it started there. Up to now, because of their vested interest, they have not down, they have not closed down, and that is the reason it went on increasing. And in my own village, there are 28 cases in Purturi, likewise in other places. I would request the government to increase their testing centers. And somebody coming from one place to the other for testing, he or she should not be told to go back to your village if there's a testing center. And Goya, since lockdown partly maybe 1 year, they have gone backward, trying to bring Goa forward. Second thing, though I know COVID sagle sarkar aata na, bring more ventilators, have more facilities where these centers are concerned. Let there be better testing, so at least those whom we expect in future, it can be avoided.